Hi guys, my name is Richard Giles, Sherwin-Williams Aerospace Technical Service and Training Manager. I'm here at our training facility in Andover, Kansas. In this video clip, we're going to be showing how to spot repair the CM0850180 clear coat. This is our commercial coat for base and clear, and when the material is fresh, what you're able to do is to do a localized repair, and then once dry, you can polish out the edges into an invisible film. Behind us, we've already prepared a panel using P320 in the center with a P600 perimeter. We've washed it with the 158, which is the pre-paint wipe for all paint systems. And with this blowing technique, we're going to mix it per data sheet, which is one base, one hardener, one activated solvent. And for the outer edges, we're going to then further reduce that by 50% using CM0850180. So we'll mix up the two mixes. What we normally do typically is a top tip is literally make more than we need, then make that a division of two, and then add to the second container. If you look on the data sheet of the 180 Clear, we give a range of activation options, and because it's a small localized repair, although it's hot today, this is called CR9, and this is a very fast repair system, because typically when you're doing a smart repair or fade out repair, no one wants the film to stay wet for several hours. So what we do is we close the film immediately, because it could be in an MRO environment where you've got engineers and people walking around. This will close the film and start the cross-linking very, very quickly. This is a 1-to-1-to-1 mix, very simple. On the data sheet, there is a solvent option if you want to further reduce the solids. It's optional only, but certainly quite a few refinishers like the lower solids. Most like it in its full solids format, but there's the option. So this is going to be the middle of the repair, and then you're going to dilute that 50% using 944 for the perimeter. The reason we dilute the solids on the perimeter is to have a tapered repair from where the teeth of the DA, where the repair site, where it's tiered, where you don't have a very heavy solid wet edge and then becomes a dry edge, so that sanding in repairability is easier. That's a very useful tip, very simple, but if you're splitting anything, mark them. Okay, so now we're ready to apply this. This is a straightforward wet on wet process. It's very, very quick, and it's to do with repairing the faded edge, which is the key to this. You have to have enough solids for the DA profile, but not too much where you're having a step system where it's very awkward to sand off. As far as the spraying technique, we understand the two mixes, what they're for. Typically, to recover, you want a certain film thickness for durability, color fastness, gloss retention. We would put 2 coats on the interior of the repair itself, typically, and then 2 coats further out on the repair side. And what it's very important is that when we do these spot repairs, the same longevity and colour fastness is on the repair as on the previous original paintwork. So paint thickness is still very important on smart repairs. Now that all of the repairs are clear coated, you can see that the colour transition profile and the repair itself is totally invisible to the eye at all light conditions and all angles. The definition of a repair is, where is it? If we can achieve an invisible aesthetic repair that isn't noticeable to the inspector or customer in all light conditions, we consider that successful. Follow us on our YouTube channel, Sherwin-Williams Aerospace, for all future smart repairs.